Rizal Technological University and the Management Information System presents a step-by-step guide of resetting password in the student portal. To start, click Forgot Password on the login form. Enter your institutional email address, then click the Send Email button. Open a new tab, log into your email, and click the Password Reset link. Copy the PIN code, enter and confirm your new password, then click Submit. Go back to the login form, enter your student number and new password, then click the Login button. You can now explore the additional features of the student portal. For assistance, you can email the mcboney@rtu.edu.ph. Thank you and have a great day ahead.